A 300 series movement replacement. Pull the zipper, remove the backrest pad and the support need the cloth. Remove the back cover screw to remove the back cover. Push the manipulator down 10 to 20 cm. Cut off the fixing tie of the manipulator. Remove the ground wire screw and separate the associated plug-in. After removing the curl arm spring, remove the swing arm fixing screw and remove the ham arm. Remove the fixing screw of the back strap and remove the fixing seat. Remove the 8 screws at the front end of the manipulator. Remove the manipulator from the back after the screw is removed.